Today's topic is what? Simplification. Simplifications on fractions. Okay, so this is the topic. So today we are going to solve all kinds of sums, based on fractions. Okay, so number one is number one type. Okay, suppose I'm writing 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Okay, then number two. Here the denominator are common. Now, if the denominator are not common, means 3 by 2 plus 5 by
1.
7. Our third number is for subtraction, like 1 by 2. Just write 4 by 5 minus 6 by 5. Now number 4. Then we have 4 by 7 minus 6 by 11. Fifth type is what? 2 all upon 4 by 5 plus 2 by 3. Okay, so first I wrote this 5 different types of simplifications. Okay, so see, in number one, what you can see here, see, whenever you are going to solve any fractions, okay, any kind of fractions, okay, any kind of the sum of the fraction, in that is what, very first we have to see the denominators. What are the denominators are given? So for every questions, from 1 to 5, just see what are the denominators for each fraction. See here, in this question number 1, we can see both the denominators are common. This is a fraction 1 and this is the fraction 2. There are two fractions and they are added, but we can see here that these both fractions have the common denominator. Okay, so when you have the common denominator, in that case we can directly solve the question. How? This line. So,
Denominator.
so from this line to the top, we are
5
writing
plus
the denominator value, and from this line to the down, we are writing the denominator value. Okay, and here both the denominator are common. So for the simplification, the denominator will be also common. Common denominator 2. So here also the denominator will be 2. Okay. Now after writing this common denominator, we have to write the numerator value as it is. Means
1 plus 5.
plus is there, so plus 5. So this became 6 by
6 by 2.
Okay. Now we can cancel it. 2 3 ja 6. So answer is what? 3.
3.
The answer. Now number 2. In this question, we can see the denominators are different in both fractions. Denominators are not common. Denominators are different. So in that case, we have to make the denominator common by taking the LCM. Okay. Means what? Without making the denominator common, we cannot solve the questions. So the denominators should be common. If the denominators are not common, then in that case we have to make them common. Then only we can solve the questions. Okay. So here both the denominators are different. So we can write, means we can now, not we can, we have to take the LCM of both the denominators. Okay. So LCM of 2 and 7. So what is the meaning of LCM? The full form of LCM is what? Lowest common
Factor. Lowest
Okay.
common multiplier.
Okay, so means what? By taking the LCM, we can get the common value of 2 and 7. Okay, so the common value of 2 and 7 means what? The LCM of 2 and 7 will be what? 14. Now,
14.
so 14 is the common denominator for this 7 and 2, or 2 and 7. Okay, so for this both 2 and 7, that common denominator will be what? 14. Okay, now plot the line. So before, so above this line we have to write the numerator value, and above this below this line we have to write the denominator value. Okay, so our common denominator is what now? 14. So right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see, this is the first fraction, this is the second fraction. So so the denominator of each fraction will be divide to 14, divide to this common denominator. So first this 2 will divide to 14. Okay, then in the next step again this 7 will divide to 14 means what? Both the denominator will be divided to the common denominator. Okay. Now 2 how many is a 7?
14.
2 how, sorry, 2 how many is a 14?
7.
7.
3 into 7.
Now the result of this denominator will be multiplied to the numerator of the first fraction. So 7 into 3. Plus is there, so plus. Now 7 how many is a 14?
2.
2.
2.
Now this 2 will multiply to the numerator of the second fraction. Now multiply there. 7 3 are 21 plus 2 5 are 10. All divided by 14. So this became 31 by
30,
14.
31 by 14.
Now next question.
Sir.
Series.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, we can solve it by equivalent fraction also.
What?
We can solve it by equivalent fraction also.
See, we can solve by equivalent fraction also, but that process became lengthy and time consuming. Okay. So see, we can solve this question by equivalent fraction also, but that equivalent fraction will be not applicable for all kinds of sums. Okay, means if we will apply the equivalent process for all kinds of sum, then it became very lengthy and very hectic and very time consuming. Okay, for this small type of question, it's fine. For these small types of question, we can solve by using the equivalent fraction also. But if the sum will be very big, okay, like here we have only 2 fractions. If there will be like 4 fractions, 5 fractions, 6 fraction, and mixture of a mixed fraction plus simplest fraction and all, okay, in that case the equivalent fraction will be very lengthy for you. Okay, so don't I recommend to don't go with the equivalent fraction process. So this is the easy process, and this will be very easy process for every kind of simplification, whether you have more than 4 fractions, 5 fractions, 6 fractions. Okay, so this process is very easily applicable for all kind of fractions. Okay, all kinds of sums of fraction. So use this process only. Okay, so it will be better. Otherwise equivalent fraction process is also fine, but that will be not very you can say very not easy for all kinds of sums. Okay, got me?
Okay, sir.
Do you got me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now 3 number. This is subtraction. Denominators are common or different?
The
common.
Common.
Do we need to take LCM? No.
No, sir.
Directly
Directly plot the line. So below the line we have to write the denominator. Below the line, we have to
5
write
and
the denominator. So common denominator will be 5 only. Now just to the above line, just
4
write
minus
the value
6.
as it is.
4 minus
4
6
So this became minus 2 by
minus
minus
5.
5.
Now number 4. Now here the denominator are common or different? The
Different.
denominator are different, so we have to take the LCM. So LCM of 7 and 11. Okay. 7 and 11 is what? 77 only. So plot the line again. Write the common denominator, which became 77.
77.
Now each denominator will be divided to 77. Okay, means what? 77 divided by 7. Okay, it gives you what? 11. And 11 will multiply to the numerator of the first fraction. Then minus is there, right? Minus 11. How many is 77? 11, 7.
7.
Now the 7 will be multiplied to the numerator of the second fraction.
6.
Now 11 4 are 44 minus 7 6 are 42. All divided by 77. So this became 2 by
2.
7.
77.
Okay. Now 5 number. So this is mixed fraction and this is the simple fraction. So very first priority is what? Convert all the fraction into the simple fraction. Okay. So this became what? This will multiply to 2 and again added with 4. So 5 to the 10, 10 plus 4, 14, and denominator is 5, so 14 by 5 plus 2 by 3. Okay. Now 5 and 3, the denominator are different, so we have to take the LCM. So LCM of 5 and 3.
15.
LCM of 5 and 3 became 15.
15.
Okay, now again equal to, then plot the line. So below the
Three
line, we have to write the
Denominator
denominator, which is what, 15.
5 into
Now this 5 will divide to
14
15. So 5, how many is 15? 5 3 are 14. So 3 will multiply to
5.
the numerator 14 plus 3, how
Plus
many is 15? 5 are 15. So 5 will multiply to the numerator 2. So 3, 14 are 42 plus 5 to the 10, whole divided by 15.
52.
So 42 plus 10
52
is
by 15.
what? 52 and whole divided by 15.
15.
So this will answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so note down or just take the screenshot.
Okay, sir. 1.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Return.
Again.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So here I want to ask to everyone: is there any problem with LCM? How to take LCM and all? If
No, sir.
anybody have the problem,
No.
just ask now. Okay. If you don't know how to take the LCM and all, in that case, it became very lengthy for you. Okay. So don't feel hesitate. Don't be shy. Okay. If you have problem with taking any LCM and all, just ask it now. No problem.
No, sir.
No,
Here.
sir.
Okay. That is fine. Okay, so now type 6. Like 4 by 5 minus 2 or 4 by 3. Then times 7. Both have 2 or 3 by 5 minus 4 or 2 by 3. Okay. Type it 2 by 3 plus 4 or 3 by 7 minus 6 or 2 by 5. Okay. Four all. Mute yourself.
ठीक है ना दवाई खो
Mute yourself. Minus 5 2 by 7 plus okay. Now see for the 6th number. Okay, again again 6 number is not means that much difficult. Again, this is same like 5 number, I think. See here. So again, one value is in the form of simplest form, and this is what mixed fraction. So convert
Mixed fraction.
all of them to simplest form. Okay, so this is already in. So just write as it is. Minus 3 to the 6.
10 upon
10
3.
by 3.
10 by 3.
Now here the denominator are different now, so we have to take LCM. So LCM of 5 and 3 became 15. Okay. Now plot the line. So below the line we have to write the common denominator, which is what, 15.
15.
Okay. Now again 1 by 1 we have to divide to this common denominator. So 5, how many is a 15? 5
Three.
3 is a, we multiply to the numerator 4 minus 3,
Four.
how many is a 15? 5 is a, we
5.
multiply to the 10. Now
10.
3 4 is a 12 minus 5 10 is a 50 divided by 15. So 50 minus 12, how much?
3 minus 12.
Minus 38.
Minus
Minus
38.
38 by 15. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Now here both value are in mixed fraction, so convert them into simplest fraction. 5 to the 10, 10 plus 3, 13 by 5, minus 3 for the 12 plus 2, 14 by 3.
14.
Again the denominator are different, so we have to take the LCM. So LCM of 5 and
15.
3 is what, 15.
15.
Again plot the line. So below the line we have to write the common
15.
denominator, which is what, 15. Now 5, how many is 15? 3 is a,
3.
so 3 will multiply to the first numerator, minus 3, how many is 15? 5 is a, so 5 will
5.
multiply to the another
14.
numerator. So 3 13 is 39 minus 14 5 is 17. whole divided by 15. So this became what? 31 minus 31 by 15.
Sir, we won't convert into mixed fraction again.
No, for now it's not. Okay, I will tell you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now this again. 2 by 3 plus 4 whole 3 by 7 minus 6 whole 2 by 5. First step is what? Convert all them into the simplest form. 2 by 3 plus 7 whole is 28 plus 3 31 by 7 minus 5 6 are 30 plus 2.
32.
Fine. All the denominators are different.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Now again process is same. Plot the line below the line 105. Again this 3. How many is a 105? 35. 70 plus what is 465 minus 21 into 32. And you find out this plus add this to this, you will get what? 5 and 535 minus 672 whole divided by 105. Okay, and this minus this is how much? 672 minus 535. 137. 137. Here. Here the denominators are 3, 7, 5. Okay, so we have to take the LCM of 3, 7, 5. So do rough first. 3, 7, 5. Okay, so among them none of are the common multiple. Okay, 3 is not multiple of 7 and 7 is not multiple of 5, or you can say all are the different numbers. Okay, none of them are multiple to each other. Okay, so in that case LCM will be what? Directly 3 into 7 into 5. Okay, so this became how much? 105. Okay, so the LCM of 375 is what? 105. So 105 you have written over here. Okay, now next is what? The common denominator became what now? 105. Okay, now see, since this denominator we have got by multiplying all of them 3, 7 and them, then only we got now 105. Okay, so here basic technique is what? Now if we want to directly find out the value after dividing 105 by 3, so 105 divided by 3 is how much? Okay, so if you want to find a direct value, in that case what we can do, 3 is the denominator. Okay, and we have already taken the LCM of 3, 7, 5. So this is 3. So because of this 3, we have already taken this 3. Okay, so after taking out this 3, what the number left after that? 7 and 5.
7 and 5.
So 3 we have already taken, 7 and 5 only left, means what? 7 5 we have to multiply them. 7 5 35.
35.
Okay, so we can directly say that this will be what? Divided by 35 directly. Now check it. So 35 into 3. 3 5 15, 3 3 9 plus 1 10, 105. Okay, so directly we can write 35. Okay, so we are dividing by 3 first. So just means what? Don't count this 3. Okay, just count 7 and 5 and multiply them. So 35 you will get. So 35 will be the value after divide 3 to 105. Okay, so 35 into 2. Okay, now here plus. Now 7 how many is 105. Okay, so just means what? Just don't take this 7 here. Okay, just multiply the remaining value, which is what? 3 and 5. So 3 5 is 15. Okay, so means what? When you will divide this 105 by 7, you will get what? 15 directly. Okay, so 15 into 31. Okay, minus is there, so minus again. 5 how many is 105? Okay, so don't count this 5 again. Okay, only count the remaining number, which is what? 3 and 7. So 3 into 7 is what? 21. Yeah, so 21 into 32. Okay,
Sir,
yeah,
after that, no, the 31 now it comes.
after that minus is there, minus I wrote. Okay, now this 104, now this 5 will divide to 105. So how many is 105? Okay, so for that just don't count this 5, okay, because the 5 is already here, okay, because we are already dividing this 105 by 5, okay, so don't count this 5, just count the remaining number, which is what, 3 and 7. So multiply them. So after multiplying them, what you will get, 3 7 is 21. So 21 will be the divisor value, okay. So this will multiply by 32, so into 32, okay. Or
Okay,
doubt?
sir. Now, no doubt.
No doubt, sir.
If you have the doubt, now don't go with the technique. Simply just divide each denominator by 105. Okay. So divide this 3 to 105. You got what, 35. So 35 will be multiplied by 2. Now again this 7 just divide to 105. Okay. So you will get what, 15. So 15 into 35. Okay. Minus there, minus. Now again divide this 105 by 5. Okay. You will get what, 21. Okay. So 21 into 32. Okay. If you don't understand this technique, then just do in this form only. Okay. Divide like before, and just multiply with the numerator. Okay, you will get the answer. Okay, so this into this into this, and this into this. Okay, so first add the positive number. So positive numbers are 70 and 465, so add them. So 535, and write the other value, means negative number as it is. So minus 72. Now when you will subtract them, you will get what, minus 137 will divide by 105. So this will be answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.